This beauty really is very nice. This is the Homeika, only down 1 bar on the battery after fully charging. Your first lowest setting right here, medium, high, 3 settings. Let's keep it back on that 1. And that's on the lowest setting. I think that's fantastic. So you don't have to fully blast it on like sand and dirt. And then I did put it on highest level speed on our other rug. It was even pulling a little bit, which made it sound like it was working properly. And I'm like, this is fantastic. Beautiful. Let's give her a shake. Does anything come out? I don't see anything. That is fantastic. I think I'm in love.